If you want your hair to grow but you're also lazy, this is the best way to do it. Let me show you how I do it. Our main ingredient is going to be amla powder, also known as Indian gooseberry or amalaki. This Ayurvedic herb is a nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, tannins, irons, calcium, and amino acids. So amla fuels the scalp and follicle health, promoting collagen production and protecting against oxidative stress. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of the amla powder. The second ingredient that we're going to use, which is quite optional, it's also another Ayurvedic herb. It's called Brahmi, and it stimulates the blood circulation in the scalp, helping to nourish the hair follicles and encouraging new growth, especially thinning areas. So we're going to use about 1 tablespoon of Brahmi powder to our hair rinse. Our last ingredient is Horsetail. It's totally optional, but if you can find it, use this. It's a silica-rich herb, and it's great for strengthening hair length, retention, and overall hair health. So this also boosts hair growth, it strengthens the hair strands, reduces hair shedding, improves hair texture and shine, and soothes the scalp and enhances collagen production. So we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of this. And I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. Mix everything together and then place a lid on top of your mixture and allow it to steep for a couple of hours. Once it's cooled down, it's steeped for 2 to 3 hours, you can now sieve it and put it in a bottle, a spray bottle preferably. Now you're just gonna use your rinse. Instead of water, you've got your Amla rinse in here. And you're just gonna spritz your hair. This is after you've washed your, make sure your hair's washed. I deep condition my hair, and then this is like the final, the bonus step. You can get your scalp as well. Obviously section will be better. I'm just being lazy. After you've applied the Amla Hair Rinse Tea, you can just style your hair as usual. Okay, bye.